Today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the Swiffer WetJet mopping kit. It comes in a fancy purple box with the mopping kit exposed at the bottom. There's a little symbol up there that says multi-surface use, and right here it talks about what it includes. It includes 5 wipes, includes a solution, as well as 4 AA batteries. And again, it says multi-surface use. On the back, it shows the pad attached to the mopping kit at the top, as well as the mopping kit fully assembled on the right hand side, which we're going to be doing shortly. I'm going to assemble the mopping kit to be used. Right here, there's a lot of talk about what it does. As you can see, it shows the sprayer at the bottom. I'm going to show you that the sprayer that actually sprays the solution onto the floor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open it up at the top. It's easily opened at the top with the flaps swinging open like that. I'm just going to slide it out, and on there it shows some directions as well. Inside there are 4 AA batteries wrapped in plastic. Is this Duracell? What does it say? It says Nanfing. It must be some sort of, I'm not sure, some other language. Nanfing, some other company. And now I'm pulling out the Swiffer mop kit. It's compacted, it's disassembled, so it fits in a small box. As you can see, the pole is in 2 parts right here. I'm going to attach that first, but first look at it really quick. You see right there, there's a little button for, I'm assuming that activates the solution sprayer. This is the actual solution. It says Swiffer WetJet on there. So the solution, I'm guessing that's where they get you. You have to go and buy the solution again and again when it empties. Maybe it's not too expensive. And this, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna figure this out right here. Does it slide? Yep, it slides definitely down into that slot right there. And here are extra wipes for cleaning. That's the heavy duty package. And then I guess to the left is the normal package of wipes. The heavy duty, I'm gonna try both of these out. I'm not sure if I should use the regular one or the heavy one first. I haven't mopped my floors in quite a while, so they should be dirty, and so I'm assuming that I should use the heavy, but I haven't made that decision yet. So let's go ahead and look at this. As you can see, this is attached to the mop head down there and has Velcro. There's a lot of things going on right here. I just pulled out a piece of cardboard, the packaging. I should read the instructions, directions on putting it out, but I'm trying to figure it out myself. So I'm guessing the solution goes into that compartment right there. I've got to figure out how to put it in. All right, the solution goes in there. This right here, what is this? Let me pull this out. That's kind of unique. I'm not quite sure exactly how this works right here, but I'll figure that out. Oh yeah, the batteries go inside of here. So I'm going to take the batteries out of the plastic that it came in and just unravel them. They're kind of tightly packed inside of the plastics, so you might have to use a little bit elbow grease. And right here it shows you how the batteries go in. Of course, the spring is kind of universal, as being that's where the negative goes. So, and then there's also markings in here how to insert the batteries. So I'm going to place the batteries in here. You see that spring? That's the spring that I was talking about. And there's the little symbol right there that shows the little shows the positive and the negative on how you're supposed to put the batteries into place. And so I'm going to take this, slide down one battery like that, and then the other on top of that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side with the batteries. I'm going to take this and then slide it up, and then take the fourth but not least battery and slide that in. So the batteries are in there. Now it's time to insert this back into the mopping kit. All right, put that in backwards. All right, and just slide it on down. Let's see, which way does it go? It's kind of tricky. If it's your first time doing this, you might not get it right away. So how does this go? I think, no. I put the puzzles together before. All right, slide it down into the slot like this, back into place. Now I'm going to take the solution. All right, the solution, this is also tricky. You should read your user manual instructions before you try to assemble this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and twist this off. Am I supposed to twist it? I don't think so. Let me read the instructions on the side of the solution bottle. And it seems like I'm just supposed to slide it in, and there's supposed to be something that pokes a hole in the top and allows the solution to drip down. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to read this. It says insert spray. And so I'm just going to go ahead and insert this in the right way. This can be tricky. You have to get it the right way. Insert it and slide down, and it kind of pops into place. And once it pops into place, there is an eject button right there, that blue button that will eject it, but I'm not going to press that. I'm just going to attach the pole to it, the handle to it, just like that. Snaps into place, and you see those plastic spring things pop out. That ensures that it is securely inside of the bowl. And there, the button that I just showed you, that button is actually the button that sprays the solution onto the floor. All right, so now I am going to choose which pad I'm going to adhere to the mopping kit. And I chose the normal ones, not the heavy duty ones, but just the normal ones. So I'm going to take this, and it looks like kind of like a diaper almost. And there's Velcro on the bottom of the mopping kit. And I'm assuming what I have to do is, I think I have to peel it off, but I don't actually. I'm just going to attach the pad to the bottom of the mopping kit, which has Velcro on the bottom. So it attaches like that, and it looks like I'm good to go for mopping. Just make sure it's completely attached, just like that. All right, so the mopping is ready. The mop kit has been assembled. Now it is time to actually mop. There goes the button that I was talking about that sprays the solution onto the floor. And now it's just time to go ahead and mop. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.